Hello friends. Today's lesson 5, Standard Method of Input, is created by Prince Armstrong of Armstrong Computers. This lesson includes the following sections: the keyboard, the mouse, variants of the mouse. The keyboard, the standard keyboard layout, ergonomic keyboards, how a keyboard works. Standard keyboard layout, a standard computer keyboard has about 100 keys. Most keyboards use the QWERTY layout, named for the first 6 keys in the top row of letters. Standard keyboard layout. Most keyboards have keys arranged in 5 groups: 1 alphanumeric keys, 2 numeric keypad, 3 function keys, 4 modifier keys, 5 cursor movement keys. Academic records. Enter password, invalid password. As you can see, I'm using the keyboard to enter my password. How a keyboard works when you press a key. The keyboard controller detects the keystroke. The controller places a scan code in the keyboard buffer, indicating which key was pressed. The keyboard sends the computer an interrupt request, telling the CPU to accept the keystroke. The mouse. What is a mouse? The mouse is a pointing device. You use it to move a graphical pointer on the screen. The mouse can be used to issue commands, draw, and perform other types of input tasks. Mouse techniques. Using the mouse involves 5 techniques. 1. Pointing, move the mouse to move the on-screen pointer. 2. Clicking, press and release the left mouse button once. 3. Double-clicking, press and release the left mouse button twice. 4. Dragging, hold down the left mouse button as you move the pointer. 5. Right-clicking, press and release the right mouse button. Variants of the mouse. Trackballs, trackpads, integrated pointed devices. Variants of the mouse. Trackballs. A trackball is like a mouse turned upside down. Use your thumb to move the exposed ball and your fingers to press the buttons. Many styles of trackball are available. Mouse. Trackpads. A trackpad is a touch-sensitive pad that provides the same functionality as a mouse. To use a trackpad, you glide your finger across its surface. Trackpads provide a set of buttons that function like mouse buttons. Integrated pointing devices. An integrated pointing device is a small joystick built into the keyboard. To use an integrated pointing device, you move the joystick. These devices provide a set of buttons that function like mouse buttons. Lesson 5 Review. Identify the 5 key groups on a standard computer keyboard. Describe the purpose of a mouse and the role it plays in computing. Identify the 5 essential techniques for using a mouse. Identify 3 common variants of the mouse. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons.